Hi everyone, this is the video number 3 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and in this video what you will learn: what is Linux operating system, features of Linux operating system, and how to install Linux operating system on Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, we will talk about what is a Linux operating system. Linux is an open source and free to use operating system. We can modify or change code in this operating system. Linux OS based on Linux kernel and developed by Linus Torvald in 17 September 1991. For example, just like Windows, iOS and Mac OS, Linux is an operating system. In fact, one of the most popular platforms on the planet, Android, is powered by Linux operating system. So I think you must have understood very well that what is Linux. Now we will talk about the features of Linux operating system. It is an open source operating system, means we can change the code or modify in this operating system easily, which is a good feature. Then portability, means Linux is portable for all devices and we are using this operating system on many devices like mobile, smartwatches, ATM and others. So this is also a good feature of Linux. Then live CD USB, means we can also use Linux by CD or USB without installing it on a computer system. That is also a good feature of Linux. Then multi-user capability, means multiple users can access this operating system in one time. Multitasking, means we can perform multiple tasks or use multiple softwares in one time. Then security, means it is much more secure than Windows or other operating systems. Because of this, I am using Kali Linux operating system on my computer. So our next point is subscribe this channel and click on notification bell for get update with this channel. So that is enough for this video. If you have any question, then paste that at comment section and see you again in the next video.